What? Oh my! No. God damn! Hello and welcome to Eat Like a Local from Uber Eats, the show that dares you to try new dishes in your neighborhood and deliver them straight to your door. Today, for our second episode, we're heading deeper into Southeast London to try some food from Ethiopia. The owner and chef behind a restaurant called Zeret serves up all the incredible dishes from her home country to the locals of Camberwell Road. I can't wait to try this.
Before I started this restaurant, it was Tony's Cafe. I used to cook English breakfast for my customers. When I prepare food for myself during lunchtime, my customers taste it and they loved it. They encouraged me to put that dish on the menu. I wasn't confident enough to start Ethiopian first. I thought they wouldn't enjoy the food, but I was wrong. Here at Zeret Kitchen, a very popular one is Zeret Surprise. Chickpea stew, red lentil, green lentil, roast vegetable, spinach, green collard, white cabbage, and awaze herbs, and chicken.
Do you know, I can't believe that being a Southeast Londoner, I've never seen this place before. Like, this is incredible. This is incredible.
Our food is like a finger dish.
Yeah.
You don't have to use knife and fork. I will show you what to do. Start from here, roll it up all the way. Look.
What? Oh my! No. God damn! Well, I feel like there's such a family vibe about the food, it's creating the memories. The way it's laid out, it's geared towards just bringing people together.
It is very important as a family you share from the same plate together, so you can resolve any issues.
Because we know in African households there can be quite a few.
Yes.
And food is obviously the best way to bring people together. No?
Exactly.
That was absolutely epic. Get involved.